I'm all nervous.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, this is the CS7000 that you have purchased. I'm just going to kind of walk you through and show you the different things. We've changed all the brushes, all the wearables, anything rubber-wise. It will be coming with a new tank. Your batteries under here are new, which I might not be able to get that off right this second. But we do have receipts and all that stuff for all that. All new seals. Again, new rubbers down here. There's, you can see the new brush. New spacer here. The tilt works so you can get to the center brush. Box back. Again, all new rubbers around it. This machine actually comes with an EcoFlex system. I don't think it was spec for that, but it was easier to leave it on than it was to take it off. Your spray system. I'll pick this water up in a minute. Oh, it won't do it because the hopper's up. New hoses. The bumper kit is on it. You can kind of see the engine here. You see that the radiator's been cleaned and everything. It's all been removed. Pretty much nothing untouched on it. Go ahead and shut this. New hose. New tires, new wheels under it. And although it's a little bit dirty because we haven't rinsed it out, did the final clean, but you can see all the rubbers new. New side brooms. So I guess we'll close it down. And then we'll show you that everything works on it. As you can see, all this can be done without the engine started. I'm doing it right now just to make it clear so you don't have that background noise. But we will start the engine. So again, to cut down on the noise, I'm just going to do everything just running the battery, which everything will run the same with the engine started. Start out, we'll do the one-touch scrub. I'm going to raise the squeegee so you can see that it's putting out water. Side squeegees are pushing it all into the center. Nothing falls off. We'll show the brush of the broom system now. Right now, and you can actually, this one, I can show you that it's all moving. Or he can show you while I sit here.
Hold it.
Okay. And then I guess we'll run it all together so you can see, because that's the whole idea, is to be able to sweep and scrub at the same time. I'll start it. And I'll just do a couple of passes. shaker's working. And I'm not sure if you want to get the hours on it.
Sure.
Pretty much nothing untouched on this. And we'll get it just a little bit more clean than it is now. And, I guess that's it in a nutshell.